welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is psyche. Dear friends, Irene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Camayas, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is psyche. In English, it is often translated as soul or life, psyche. Yung sa Latin ay anima or kaluluwa. In Matthew chapter 16, verse 26, Jesus asks, "What profit would there be for one to gain the whole world and forfeit his psyche?" Here, psyche refers not just to an inner spiritual part, but to one's very life, one's true self in relation to God. The root of psyche means to breathe. That is psycho. This connects it closely with the Hebrew nephesh, which also means breath, throat, or living being. In Genesis chapter 2, verse 7, humanity becomes a living nephesh when God breathes into Adam. When the Hebrew scriptures were translated into Greek, the Septuagint, nephesh was usually rendered as psyche. And this is important. In Hebrew thought, a person is a nephesh, a whole living being. In Greek usage, psyche sometimes came to mean the soul, distinct from the body. But the Bible unites both perspectives, psyche and nephesh. It's the whole person, alive with God's breath. So hindi mo yun pinaghihiwalay, katawan at kaluluwa. Pag sinabi mong nephesh, psyche, yung buong tao yun. From psyche, we get many familiar words. Di ba kung minsan pronunciation natin dyan ay psyche, di ba? Dyan natin nakukuha yung salitang psychology, the study of the mind or the soul. Psychiatry, the healing of the soul. And as I said, psyche, the human spirit or personality. For us Christians, psyche reminds us that life is sacred because it comes from God. To love God with all your psyche, Matthew 22:37. It echoes Deuteronomy chapter 6, verse 5. Love the Lord with all your nephesh. Whether in Hebrew or Greek, the call is the same, to love God with the fullness of our being. The challenge is this: do we treasure our psyche, our whole self, as belonging to God? To guard our soul is to live faithfully, offering every breath back to the one who gave it. Friends, psyche, rooted in nephesh, reminds us that our life is God's gift, and the truest self is found in Him. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto nyo maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.